Hello, people. No, ever since I've got this microphone, I feel like I just have to hold it in front of my face and speak because it's important. So I just have to say this that honestly, I feel that if any of us, if you ever get into a funk, like you're wondering what to do and things like that, just even binge watching something has a way of, I don't know, reviving the mind. It can be binge watching something as mindless as keeping up with the Kardashians, because honestly, when you look at that series, you realize, yeah, these are the top notch celebrities of the planet. Like they are like, in the fashion world at least, they, but the kind of struggles and hardships, and you would think someone who's rated the richest, the Kylie Cosmetics, she's the youngest billionaire on the planet. What kind of problems can she have? But no, yeah, everyone has their own struggles. And with regard to even struggles, I've come to form this theory that we are given struggles in areas that need improvement. So, like, I feel the more, as people, if you have whatever, quite a few rough edges to smoothen, you're given those many struggles to deal with. So this includes my life and so many, the lives of so many others. But really, I've personally seen that people who were racist are now in countries facing racism themselves, or people who are snobbish have to deal with snobbish people, or anything. I was like a upholder of all things matrimony, but now I realize being single is beautiful, and being divorced is not such a bad thing. So it is just a workbook of lessons. And when you watch a show like Keeping Up with the Kardashians, you understand this. Like, the more the number of variables, the more the number of people, the more the number of problems. So I think everybody should stick to having just one kid, I think. But that again will have its own share of problems. But yeah, whatever. Like how Buddha says, no, Jeevan is dukkha, this dunya is dukkha. So yeah, this is meandering, but I really had to say this. So really, people, Keeping Up with the Kardashians, I think for someone who's fashion challenged, you begin to learn how to dress better when you watch a show like that. So I can't wait to finish watching the remaining 7 episodes, and it'll complete that season 10, I think. Yeah. So it's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.